Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying why you need each compound: melatonin for circadian shift, glutathione for antioxidant capacity. Once done, verify current medications and organ function because both interact with metabolism. Next, choose form: sublingual or timed-release melatonin and oral, Roman 4, or precursor forms for glutathione, and start low. Make sure to record baseline sleep latency, daytime energy, and any labs. These initial steps give you safety and a measurable starting point to judge effects within days to weeks. You now focus on execution. Take melatonin 30 to 90 minutes before desired sleep time to shift phase, while glutathione or its precursors can be taken morning or split doses for steady levels. Once done, track outcomes with a sleep diary, daytime functioning scores, and periodic liver panels if clinically indicated. Make sure to anticipate interactions. Enzymes like CYP can alter melatonin clearance, and some treatments affect glutathione. Adjust timing or withhold dosing around interacting therapies you complete the plan by titrating based on response. Adjust melatonin in small increments every 1 to 2 weeks and increase glutathione or its precursors if objective markers or symptoms persist. Once done, reinforce non-pharmacologic measures: consistent light exposure, sleep hygiene for melatonin, precursor nutrition, and avoiding toxins for glutathione. Make sure to store supplements properly and reassess labs. If problems continue, reevaluate concomitant drugs, change formulation, or consult a specialist. This single troubleshooting step often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.